Okay, it's the 1st of March and I'm just going to check my latest Binance balance. What were we yesterday? So 916606. Let's see what we've done. And we have got a reading of 94447. Oh, good. An improvement. 944477. 944477. And that is a total of, or a value rather, 44701. 44701. Okay, well, above. Yeah, okay, so that's an improvement on yesterday, which is good. A good start to the week. Let's hope they can continue it and we can have a good end to the week as well. Okay, it's Tuesday 9:21 on the 2nd of March. I've already logged into my Binance platform and I'm happy to say that my BCC balance has grown considerably from yesterday. They've actually made $53 in a day, which is obviously not all Algowave's work, as there's been an increase in the price of Bitcoin. But 1027708 is our latest figure. That compares with 94444, so an excellent day yesterday. But this is what Algowave say about their algorithm, is that it will have good days, it will have bad days, but the point is, of course, is to monitor it over a period, and I'm going to do a 2-month evaluation. This value 102778 is a new high. It beats the previous high of 10124, and it's excellent news. So the evaluation is going quite well for Algowave. We've got a few more weeks to go before it's finished, but all in all, I'm quite happy so far, and we crack on with it. Okay, Thursday, 4th of March. Yesterday we had a reading of 1032617. Let's see what we've got today. 1032617. And we have 1017862. Oh dear, we're down. 1017862. 1017682, and that is a value of 1017862, 50795, 50795, 50795. Okay, so we're down on yesterday, still ahead on the opening balance and ahead on the start of the week, so reasonable so far this week. We'll keep watching and we'll keep recording. Okay, Friday 26th of February. Right, yesterday we had 929,147 and today we have what? Here we go. And the magic number is 920929. 920929. 920929. Hang on, that's not right, is it? 920929. There we go. Right, and that was a value of 42869. 42869. So slightly down on yesterday. Down on the week still. Slightly up on the start. So we're treading water, but we're not losing, I suppose, which is good. So we'll just crack on with it. Okay, it's Saturday the 6th of March and I'm just going to check my Binance balance, fading spots, and our number today is 996847. 996847. 996847, and that's a value of 48173. 48173. Okay, so we've nearly completed another week. We're still up on our opening balance. We're up on the balance from the week, which is encouraging. Not making massive progress, but as long as we make progress. So we'll be closing this week off tomorrow, and I'll be back tomorrow morning to record the totals. Sunday morning, the 7th of March, and yesterday our balance was 996847. Let's see what it is today for the end of the week, and it is 994264. 994264. 994264, and the value of 50503. 50503. 50503. Well, that completes our third week, our third full week. So we're still ahead of the starting balance. We're up on the week, not as much as the high of the 20th of February, but it's making progress. Slow progress, it has to be said. So that's the first month of analysis, really, the first 4 weeks. So another 4 weeks to go, and that will conclude this demonstration of Algowave.